Tirana has a population of 5 million people. The population of Albania is 3 million people. Tirana is the capital of Albania and the largest city in Albania.
Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between